Hello guys, Will here. Now here for an intro of Quimper Rue de Brest level crossing in Quimper. This crossing's got halogens. There's the hazard sign there. There's a phone thing here. And there's this barrier here, which is branded Ulston. There. And here you have tarmac crossing floor. There's grass through the gap as well. There's a treadle there. Well, there's two treadles there actually. There's that sign there, on there too. And there's a set of lights here. Hazard sign. Wait for this car to go off. Anything coming now? And there's this set of lights here with the bell. And there's this barrier here and the phone. And there's the weight. There's that phone there as well. There's the tarmac crossing floor. Those signs here. And there's this set of lights here as well. And also there's a bell on that. I think I may have. I don't think I mentioned that, but if I did, then I don't know. And down there goes towards Quimper station, and up that way I'm not sure where that leads to.